boy. So where are we going? Durga Road వెళ్దాంలే. బాగుందిరా రే, నీ జాకెట్ బాగుందిరా అయ్యా, ఇప్పుడు 10 సార్లు అడిగావు. Come on, let's go. And hubby has put the red rooster exhaust for his bike. Those are the Vamshi's exhaust. Vamshi's bike is in garage and it will be there for a month. So for a month he will be using these. He is using without the baffles. I don't know when he is going to get fined. And good morning everyone. Welcome back to the channel Ratnaka Diaries. Today it is more about a quick ride, nothing much. We are just wanted to cruise somewhere around 50 to 100 kilometers. Basically today's ride plan is Abhi's, and mostly he is pushing us to do it now because he has changed his rear tire and he has put the exhaust. He is very much interested in today's ride, and I think this is the first time that Dikshit is taken out his 390 adventure for the ride with us especially. Oh, irritating bro, seriously. I think I have to be ahead of him. Oh. Done with the quick breakfast. Actually not a quick, done with the breakfast. I thought he said hi, but not. I think he's stretching his body. We are done with the breakfast here. It was nice, and we are about to move. Okay boys, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೊತ್ತು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. Okay. Okay, so as it is holiday today, we are on a short ride, quick short ride actually, like an up and down total maybe 100, and I wanted to install a pin lock. Not a pin lock, it is a FOGOFF, which is not a pin lock. Pin lock is a brand name, but FOGOFF is another brand name. Previously I used to have pin lock, which is 100% good. I'm okay with the quality, and not okay, I'm satisfied with the quality. But as you can see that I have removed the pin lock because previously while I was installing it, I was in an area, I installed it, but there was some minor gap and we have bent that however we want because we don't know how to install it before. Now I have to install it properly. Okay, let's check it out. So basically this is a photochromatic lens. The FOGOFF lens is not only an anti-fog lens, it is additionally photochromatic, which will improve your visibility while riding. The lens will turn from clear to dark in seconds, adapting to sunlight. Easy mounting system, you can put and remove quickly. So this is the empty helmet that I have been using for the past 1 year. This is a blade series. Yeah, it fits me well and I'm comfortable with this. Let's remove the visor and then install. Installing directly is a mistake that I have done before. So this time let's remove. And removing the visor from the helmet, empty helmet is very easy. Can you see this clip here? Pull it hard. It will be loose somewhat and then remove the visor. Look at here. Can you see the screw? It has fallen down there. It is not even holding the visor. It is good that I have seen now and tried to install the pin lock. So it is very easy actually. You need to pull this and the visor comes up very easily. But now it has been stuck. It's not been coming. I somehow managed to remove the visor here and I have tightened the bolts. I have tightened the screws. So okay, it is very easy. See, you just need to pull this and the visor will come off. Since we have not used this button from the past, I don't know, I have never used this till now, so it has been jammed. Let me show you again. Let me fix this and then remove it again. So see here, it's very simple. Just open the visor to the fullest and you see a clip here. Can you see this? Yeah, just pull it hard. It's seconds. Yes. Okay, no worries. Yeah, pull it hard and it will come out. Yes. And then you remove the visor. You need to pull it hard. You need to apply some pressure here. It is not that so easy. And same as well in the this side also. You need to pull the button in. Yes. And then remove the visor. Simple. Like I said, it is not a simple one. It has taught me how to do now. Previously for LS2 helmet I used to remove the visor. Okay, anyhow I have removed the visor. Clean the visor very properly inside the visor, at least inside. And this is a lens cleaner from Lenskart actually. It is a pretty good one. This is the very clean and neat visor now. And here is the anti-fog lens. So there will be a pin lock holder for some particular helmets. To install this, you need these pin locks. You see the mountings here. This cut will go and sit inside these pins. Yes, this time it was a perfect installation. Last time we have messed it totally. Now I think it's good. And peel off the mask. Now for this lightning condition, it is very clear. The marks are from the outside because we have only cleaned in the inside of the visor. We'll just fix the visor to the helmet now. It is also again very simple technique. Just pull the same whole clip. Yes. Done. Same as well in the other side. Pull the clip. Place it. Done. Our helmet is ready with the pin lock. But I need to test it. How it gets tinted in the sunlight. Till now it was a proper sunlight. Afternoon in the 3 now. All of a sudden it is cloudy and it has actually started to drizzle now. It is full cloudy. Now I think we can't test the visor now or for the pin lock. Okay, let me test it basically tomorrow, I guess. Now Just I will get it out. Wait. I think now we can check in this light. Okay. As soon as we come out of this of the room. So oh okay. I can see that it is somewhat tinted now. It's more like a purple tint than a black tint. Yeah, I think now it is tinted than before. Like when it is in the room, it was somewhat clearly visible. Now it is only very lightly visible, the inner pads. So it is more of a reflective type now. Okay, let's check it in the room. Yeah, you can see that now it is most of the light has been reflecting. That means it has been tinted. As soon as you enter the room, even to this light as well, it has been lightly purplish color. Maybe slowly it will turn to clear white. If it is like this, you can see the difference now. Yeah, can you see the difference here? See the color here and the color of the pin lock. It is slightly tinted now. Maybe during the night time it will be clearly visible. I don't know. I will update you once I'm into the ride and I will use it properly. But how does the pin lock even function? And okay, the anti-fog lens even function. Is it better? And I forgot the brand name here. Yeah, FOGOFF. The FOGOFF is a brand name. I don't know how this will perform, but previously I used the pin lock, which is, I guess I'm satisfied with 100% with that, but I'm not sure about this. Let's see what happens. I will update you as soon as once I have tested them properly. When I go to the ride, like 2 to 3 days, then I can able to see both day and night for continuous days. Okay, bye bye.